Welcome to Vermont, the Green Mountain State where beauty, tradition, and tranquility meet. Nestled in the heart of New England, Vermont is bordered by New York, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts, and to the north by the Canadian province of Quebec. Covering just under 10,000 square miles, it's small in size but big in charm, with sweeping mountain views, peaceful towns, and a strong sense of community. Before European settlement, the Abenaki and Iroquois tribes thrived here, living off the forests and rivers. The French claimed the land in the 1600s, naming it Les Vermonts, or the Green Mountains. After France's defeat in the 7 Years' War, the British took control, and Vermont later became an independent republic before joining the United States as the 14th state on March 4, 1791, the first state added after the original 13 colonies. Today, Vermont is home to around 650,000 people, and its economy reflects a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It leads the nation in the production of maple syrup, granite, and marble, and is also known for dairy farming and fine craftsmanship. The state's industries include metalwork, publishing, paper, and clean energy. With a focus on sustainability and small business, Vermont has built a reputation for quality over quantity, from locally made cheeses to hand-built furniture. Vermont's landmarks tell stories of history and pride. The Vermont State House, crowned with its golden dome, stands as a symbol of independence. The Coolidge Homestead honors President Calvin Coolidge, who was born and raised here. Across the state, you'll find charming covered bridges, historical monuments, and the famous ski resorts of Killington, Stowe, and Sugarbush that attract visitors from around the world. Whether it's fall foliage or winter snow, Vermont's natural beauty never fails to inspire. Life in Vermont feels peaceful and genuine. There's something magical about breathing in the mountain air, hearing a rushing waterfall, or sharing a meal made with local ingredients. People here care about their neighbors, their environment, and their heritage. It's the kind of place where you can take a quiet walk, gaze at the stars, and feel completely at home. Vermont may be small, but its heart and its beauty are boundless. Visit usgreencardoffice.com to learn more about immigration to the United States and how you can get in touch with us. And don't forget to check out videos about many other states in our YouTube library. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.